Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app and then click on your Bitmoji on the upper left corner of your screen and then click on Settings. So here just want to scroll down until you see App Appearance. And here choose Always Dark. Snapchat will always use a dark appearance. And here you can also use Match System or Always Light. So that really depends on you. And now as you can see, the background of my Snapchat app is now dark. So if you want to switch it back to light, just go ahead and click on light. And that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.